my channel. So today we're going down. So I start cutting the onions and 5 pieces of garlic. And some carrots. Just season with salt and pepper. In a hot pan, a melted butter and fry the fish. Both sides until golden brown. After frying, I use the excess oil to saute the garlic and onion. Then I just add the ginger and some tomato and lemongrass. Then I just add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. So we just sauteed it until it's caramelized to enhance the flavor. Then I add the fried fish on top. Then I add 1 cup of water or more. Cover and boil for about 5 minutes. Then add your remaining ingredients, your vegetables. I have my leftover radish and taro root and the carrots and some red bell pepper and the chilies. So for my vegetables, I just use whatever I had in my fridge to Spendless and create a delicious and healthy recipe. Then covered and bring it to boil. Simmer for about 3 minutes until all the vegetables are cooked. Then season according to your taste. So for me, I just want a simple seasoning, so I just use salt, black pepper, and onion powder. So now I think my trout stew, it's perfectly cooked. So guys, hope you like my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave comments below. And thank you for watching. See you on my next recipe. Bye. Good.